move the baby. This is to sway the baby and make the baby relax and fall asleep. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chinaza TV. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of this new baby born toy set. Okay, this is the bed and the puppy. As you can see, the baby born is also an additional stuff in this. So this is the bed and the baby born. We have this bed in 38 centimeter long, and then 31 in case you're buying it. It's not so long, it's just a portable, and then the height is 27 centimeter. The baby that will lie in is also considered, this is why it is 30 centimeter. Is going to fit in the small bed. This is from Simba. As you can see, it's for 3 years plus, in case you want to get it for your child. Okay, something on the outside, so let's quickly unbox it and see what we have in. In here I have the bed sides. I'm going to fix it together to see. Sorry, I have my phone on one hand. Okay, and okay, so this is the blanket, this is the pillow, and these are the bed parts. This is supposed to be the base for the bed. Okay, it's going to serve as the base for the bed after it is being fixed. Okay, so, and not forgetting, they have a small manual. So like I said, this is the parts you put. These are the two edges, and this is the wedge. It's going to serve as the wedge, okay, to sway the bed. Like you can see, you put the side in. These are for the both ends. And excuse me, this, like I told you, is going to serve as the base for the bed. This is going to serve, okay, here. And then finally, the baby born is right here, right in. And then, okay, when I saw this, I was so happy. It came here. Is the baby born. This is so adorable. You can get this for your baby girl for Christmas gift or whatever. It also came with a schnuller. Or here, I'll just go on, fix this quickly to show you what it looks like. So what is the manual here? Okay, these are the two edges. This is going to be the base. This goes into this. I will quickly put this here and here, like you can see, and click it. Okay, it's in. As you can see, this part is fully fixed. It's very simple to put together. It's not complicated. And the other part here, and you push it in. They are made of plastic. You don't have anything to worry about, and they are not sharp in there. Once you get the click sound, you fix, and then go over to this part where we have, I'm going to use this love shape ends into this place. they really love this. It's so adorable and beautiful for a girl child. Okay, now we're going to place this part in and have it click with every to form the basis for the bed. Now forming the base where the baby bone will be laid, and click here. Now we have completed this. We are going to use this as the base, which is this. Now putting it in, see if it actually fits. Wow, look what we have. This is really nice. Okay, now putting in the blanket, putting in the blanket for the baby. Okay, I think it's too long. Only having pillows set for the baby. Have something like this. Okay, this is the bed in full setup. You see, it doesn't take much time. It's very easy to fix. Removable and washable. Okay, when you want, you can remove this and wash them, making them clean. But this hat is at a point here glued, so I don't think you can be able to remove this. It's glued here. This you cannot remove, you cannot wash this, but the other part you can just take it off this way. Okay, but at this point it's glued, so I don't misplace it, I think so, because you know with children you can easily misplace this. So this so small but adorable. Okay, lying the baby in the bed. You see, it really suits the whole bed. They measured it and made everything accurately perfect for the bed. It's not so big, it's not so small. Okay, it's not so big and it's not so small. Yes, she wishes to move the baby. This is to the baby and make the baby relax and fall asleep. In case she needs to move the baby, I have something also that I got that she opened. This she's using to. This is also what I bought that she could use to carry the baby around. These are all good for Christmas gift for a baby girl of 3 years plus, or 4 or 5. The child can play with. At least I think from 2 years, once the child is able to play with toys, the child is capable of managing this. Okay, this is very adorable. Once the baby is awake and you wish to take the baby around, you could just have the baby sit here. It's already got in. Okay, and move the baby around like you can see. Okay, this is so adorable. She really loves this. When she comes back, she will be surprised with all of this. Okay, this is all I have for you concerning this simple baby ball unboxing and setup. Okay, this is from Simba and it's for 3 years plus. In case you want to buy it, I bought this for 15 euro. I bought it at Penny. It was supposed to be, I think, 25 or 30 euros, but with the Penny app I got it at a lesser price. Okay, I see you in my next video. Until then, have a great time and bye.